Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a SIM card at your Apple iPhone XS. This is the Apple iPhone XS, of course. You have at your iPhone on the left side two buttons, volume up, volume down. On the right side, you have the power button, and under there it is, the surface or the cover of your SIM card tray. And there is a hole. In this hole, we are going to use a SIM card needle and press down until the SIM card tray is coming out a little bit. And then you can use your hand to pull it out of the phone. There it is, the SIM card tray. This will hold your SIM card in position. At the SIM card tray, there's one edge other than the other edges, and this will match with your SIM card, with your nano SIM card. Only place it in position and it will match immediately. You can see this because now it's a flat surface. Then go back to the phone and slide the tray back in position and push it until the cover is in one flat direction. Good job! Now you have a SIM card installed. So now unlock it and have fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you again on my channel, please. Soon.